Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming requirements. Xampp is installed, and you run Apache from the control panel. Once done, you must verify file system permissions on your project folder so Apache can read and write. Next, open Xampp /Apache/conf and HTTP hosts. Conf, these are the files you'll edit. Make sure you run your editor as administrator or with sudo to avoid saving failures. This initial sequence prevents permission and configuration mistakes that cause access denied errors later on. Now edit the virtual host and directory blocks. Replace any deny from all with require all granted in Apache 2. For style or add matching, allow directives if needed. This explicitly permits requests. Confirm document root and directory paths match your project location to avoid mismatches that trigger denials. Adjust file system permissions so Apache can serve files. Typically 755 for folders and 644 for files on Unix. Restart Apache after saving. Finally, restart Apache and test your site. If you still see access denied, open Apache error log to read the specific cause. It often names the file or directive. If the error involves database access, verify MySQL user permissions and host. Incorrect DB privileges can present as access failures. Make sure firewall or antivirus isn't blocking Apache. Temporarily disable to test. One key troubleshooting tip: reproduce the request and watch error log while you retry. Live logs reveal the precise reason for denial.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.